Watch this video to learn about the three multiplication properties.
How can properties help you multiply? Think about this question during the lesson. Multiplication properties can help you remember basic multiplication facts. What do you think the meaning of the word properties is in this statement? Properties are rules used to do math. The commutative property of multiplication states that two numbers can be multiplied in any order, and the product will be the same. Look at the two arrangements of soccer balls on the mats. Did the total change when the balls were rearranged? No, the total number did not change. Each group has a total of 6 soccer balls. The product is the same. So 2 times 3 equals 3 times 2. The zero property of multiplication states that the product of any number and 0 is 0. How many groups do you see? How many are in each group? There are 2 groups with 0 in each group. So 2 times 0 equals 0. If you multiplied 999 million by 0, would the product be 0? Why? Yes, the zero property of multiplication says that any number multiplied by 0 equals 0. The identity property of multiplication states that the product of any number and 1 is that number. One group of 7 can be written as 1 times 7 equals 7. Does it matter if 1 is the first or second factor in the multiplication problem? No, because any number multiplied by 1 is that number. How can the zero property of multiplication and identity property of multiplication both apply to this equation? According to the zero property of multiplication, the product of any number and 0 is 0. According to the identity property of multiplication, the product of any number, 0, and 1 is that number, 0. Now you know how to use the properties of multiplication to solve equations.